Are you a Remax real estate agent looking for a powerful way to boost your Instagram game without spending hours creating posts? You're going to love what I'm about to show you. I'm Jeremy, Creative Director and Marketing Specialist at JC Creative Media, and in this video, I'm excited to show you our Remax Instagram Marketing and Branding Template Kit. With over 400 professionally designed templates, this kit is specifically designed to help real estate agents boost their brand, increase engagement, and promote their listings effortlessly. So let's take a closer look at the templates. These are Canva templates, but they are Canva marketing templates. So what that means is that we actually are providing a full-fledged strategy to help you market yourself on Instagram. This set is packed with over 400 Instagram-ready designs in Remax's signature red, white, and blue color scheme. Here's what you'll find. First, we have branding templates. Start strong by promoting your personal brand with stunning visuals that showcase your expertise and trustworthiness. Next, we have listing promotion templates. Feature your latest listings with eye-catching designs that help properties stand out in the crowded real estate market. These templates make it so easy for you to highlight key details and drive inquiries about your listings. Next, we have educational templates. These posts will help position you as an industry expert with educational posts that provide value to your audience. From market updates to home buying tips, these posts help build trust with potential clients. And finally, we have engagement templates. Boost interaction with fun, interactive posts like polls, client success stories, and open house promotions. These are designed to keep your followers engaged and increase social media activity. If you've been shopping around for templates, you'll notice that a lot of template creators claim that they have templates that boost engagement, but what they're really saying is that these templates stop the scroll. And stopping the scroll is great, it's very important, but that's not engagement. Engagement is action. It's likes, shares, comments, saves, anything that makes them take an action while they're looking at the post. So what's unique about our kits is that we have posts that actually encourage interaction on the post. You have things like quizzes, Q&As, fill in the blanks, all kinds of things to encourage your followers to actually interact with your posts. This helps boost your reach and it tells Instagram that you're actually providing valuable content that your followers really care about. So with this mix of templates, you'll have everything you need to stay consistent on Instagram and build a recognizable brand. So while these may just be Canva templates, they're actually so much more. JC Creative Media is actually the only company that provides a full-fledged strategy with their templates. So instead of just getting beautiful designs, you also get all of the tools you need to run your social media like a social media manager or a content marketing pro. And you get all of this without the hassle of having to create everything from scratch. We've given you your content strategy, we've given you a professional design, and we've given you all the posts that you need to effectively market yourself as a real estate agent on Instagram. Another thing to love about this kit is that all of the posts are designed to Remax's brand standards. Plus, not only do you start off with Remax approved branding, but you can also edit these templates as often as you like, as many as you like. You can change the photos, you can change the fonts, the colors, the text, everything about them is editable. So not only do you get a professional graphic design system, but you also get the ability to customize them to your heart's content. So if you're ready to take your real estate marketing to the next level, click the link below to grab your 400 plus Remax Instagram templates today. With this complete set, you'll save hours of work and get back to what you do best, selling homes. Check out the description for more details and start customizing your templates in Canva right now. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you'd like more tips to help elevate your business, see more product walkthroughs, and learn how to create more success with less stress. We'll see you soon with more tips to help you grow.